Today's Latin phrase is MENS REA. It literally means guilty mind or criminal intent. It's the mental element of a crime. For example, if I set out to rob the manager, I had the mens rea to commit that robbery, but if I don't commit the robbery, there is no actus reus. Let's give another example to clear this. When you trip over a dog, it's accidental. There's no mens rea, although there is actus reus. In fact, even the dog will simply move away. But when you kick it, you have the actus reus and mens rea, and you are culpable. The dog could actually bite you, at least growl at you in anger. So even the dog knows if it's a criminal act. Let's look at some sentences to know how it's practically used. Mens rea could not arise where the assessee files a belated return if he shows reasonable cause. But in case of concealment of income, the question of mens rea could come in. An injury caused without mens rea could give rise to civil liability, but never a criminal liability. Even touching a girl or woman without a permission is an actus reus to rape. The question of mens rea is not really considered. Mens rea and actus reus are taken together to decide whether an act is a crime. See our video on actus reus. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.